Scholarship opportunity, super easy to apply. It's open for everyone. The Cohen and Jaff Law Firm Scholarship. I've been telling you guys this the whole time. Apply to law firm scholarships. They are everywhere. They are opening all the time. Sometimes they're for a decent amount of money. This one, the Cohen and Jaff Law Firm Scholarship, is for $2,500. You just need a 2.5 GPA. And you need to submit a 750-word essay talking about the ripple effect. What does the ripple effect mean to you in relation to sustaining an injury and how that injury that you witnessed somebody sustain or you yourself sustained influenced the rest of your life? All right, the Cohen and Jaff Scholarship, it's for $2,500. And it just opened. You have plenty of time to apply.